Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great day. I've had a lot of fun today learning how to make a bear puppet. I've listened to some silly nursery rhymes which were really fun, and I've also enjoyed singing along to the Five Little Ducks. While we were on school holidays, we had some work done here at Kuraby Special School, and in my office I've had a magic door built. So what I'm going to do now is go through the magic door and see where it takes us. Let's see. Here I am in Maddie's room with Belinda, Amanda and Jenny. And Anthony's here too. Hi everyone.
Hi!
What are we doing?
We're doing Wheels on the Bus. Do you want to join us?
I'd love to join you. Thank you. There's a seat beside Elmo for me.
We have